there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. On my last video, I shared 3 tips that you can start implementing into your lead capture pages or your landing pages to increase your lead conversions to get more people to check out your presentation, your offers, and all that good stuff. Well, in that video, I mentioned a cool little tool called Social Proof. Now, if you go out there and you try to put social proof on your pages to help increase conversions, you're going to pay about $29 or more a month, depending on the service, more or less. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use our all-in-one digital marketing platform called Builderall. We already have the social proof included inside of our membership as one of our tools. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the social proof tool to a landing page so that you can start increasing your lead capture page conversions without spending any extra money to do it. So if you want to see how I do that, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, well, let's not waste any time. Let's go into my Builderall back office and let me show you how to add social proof to any Cheetah page, any landing page that you want to increase lead conversions for. So let's go ahead and do that. And guys, so here we are in my Builderall back office, and I have a lot of tools to work with, but today we are going to be working with specifically the social proof pop-up, and we're also going to just leverage the templates that already exist inside of the Funnel Club, which is why I love the Funnel Club, because I already have things that are already built and I can just go in there and use them, redesign them for my personal use rather than build something from scratch. So that's what we're going to do today so that we can get off the ground as quickly as possible. And then over here, I've got my little trusty notepad, and I'm going to take you through the process of how we're going to do this. So in order to add social proof, we're going to make sure that we have a page set up. That's step 1. Step 2 is create the social proof pop-up inside of the app. We're going to then assign the social proof pop-up to the page from inside the website page. And then we're going to assign the social proof pop-up inside the actual form. So it's a few steps, but we're going to go through it pretty quickly. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to, oh, and by the way, before I forget, if you don't have the social proof pop-up, all you have to do is click over here on this little tab right on the bottom of your dashboard, click the plus sign that says install more tools, and then go to the search right here and just put social, and then click on new social proof pop-up, click on that, and it'll add it to your dashboard, okay? So I'm also going to be working inside of the Funnel Club, and the Funnel Club is basically a collection of done-for-you templates, done-for-you chatbot flows, done-for-you blueprints, all that good stuff. You'll see, you get a peek of it right now when I log in, but it is a one-time $199 sign-up fee and then $69.90 per month for the rest of 2020. And as you'll see, you have a lot of cool things inside of the Funnel Club. So if you're on a premium plan, you want to either upgrade to the Funnel Club, or if you're considering joining Builderall, then you might want to do it at the Funnel Club, because you're going to get the most value for your money. And if you are an affiliate, you also earn a $200 commission, which is pretty cool as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go inside of the Funnel Club to grab a template that's already been done for you, right? So I'm going to click over here and I'm going to go into, and by the way, you see we have Builderall premium funnels, niche funnels, lead capture page funnels, agency funnels, info product, physical product funnels. We got chatbot funnels and the Cheetah funnel builder. I've done videos on that before, so just check out my channel for Builderall Funnel Club and you'll see some videos that I've done on this before. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go into the physical product funnels, because a couple of videos ago I promised I was going to show 2 new features and I only showed the info product funnels and I totally forgot about the physical product funnels. So we'll just go into the physical product funnels so that we can see what's in here and just start from here. So I'm going to start with the Slimming Tea. And so we're going to just go ahead and take a preview of it, which is really nice. So if you sell, any type of herbal teas, or if you, if you're an affiliate for an Amazon product or a network marketing product, and it has to do with, weight loss or stuff like that, you can come here and leverage this template inside of the Funnel Club in order to sell your product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this funnel, which is so awesome because it automatically downloads it into my account. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. So it puts this funnel in my account. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and unpack this funnel inside of my Builderall back office. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the site dashboard. Okay, so now when I come over here, boom, it is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit site. And you'll see that it has 3 pages already done for you, already designed. They're really beautiful. In order for me to be able to preview these pages, I'm going to just go and instantly publish that real quick. And I'm going to click close. And now I'll be able to go ahead and preview it since it's published. And so we've got a thank you page. We've got the pending subscription page. And we have the congratulations page. And it is basically selling the tea. This is really beautiful, guys. Wow, this is gorgeous. If you are a funnel designer, you have got like a beautiful full-fledged design right here. All you got to do is switch out some copy. It's just stunning. This is a beautiful template. But anyway, I digress because we're here for social proof, but I get like all like, wow, I get like eye candied with all these beautiful designs. So my attention span goes to the visual stuff. So anyway, okay, so just so that you know really quickly, right over here is where we have the social proof. So we're going to come back here in a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back out here and I am going to go to the dashboard. I'm going to go home and I'm going to come into the social proof pop-up. So we're going to click on enter. I already created a sample one, but you can come over here and click add new campaign to start from scratch. By clicking on the editing pencil, you're going to see the exact same thing. So I'm going to go ahead over here. And so I'm going to name the campaign name info product. And then the action label is the little bubble that they're going to see on the left-hand corner, right? As soon as they download the report. So what happens is that when they take an action, it's going to trigger the pop-up. Right, that's what we want. So as people enter their name and information inside of the email form, as they do that, that little pop-up is going to start, populating with their information so that that social proof starts to pop up on your lead capture page. You can put the pop-up pretty much anywhere you want, but we're going to focus on just lead capture right now, okay? So here we can connect it to an application inside of Builderall. There's going to be several places that you can connect this to. You can connect it to an e-learning, a webinar form. So like, let's say you're doing like a webinar. You can, put social proof on your webinar as well. In the Cheetah members area. So you can welcome people. Oh, this person just purchased the course, or let's welcome this person. You can do it that way. There's different creative ways that you can use this pop-up form. You can use it on a Cheetah contact form, but I'm going to use it in a mailing boss form because I want to connect it to a list. Okay. Now over here, you can put a link that if they click on the actual pop-up, you can take them somewhere. So you might want to take them to a YouTube channel, or you can take them to a contact page for them to contact you. I'm going to leave this with nothing right now. Okay. Now you can go ahead and select different languages. So depending if you're doing business in a different language, you can select it from here, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put English. And then we have 2 pop-ups here that you can choose from. Unfortunately, this is not completely skinned just yet where, you can see what the pop-up looks like ahead of time, but they're working on all that stuff. So this is kind of like the bare bone basics to at least get that social proof pop-up on your page. So I'm going to choose the default, which is white. Okay. And then here you can put whatever icon that you want. So if I come over here, I can go ahead and again, add this little star here. Okay. You would see it as like a blank little upload thing, and it's going to say add your icon. So that's where you would add the icon, and that will appear on the pop-up. So you can show the user location, or you can hide it, and you can display it on mobile. And over here, the position on the screen, usually they're on the bottom left. Okay, so you want to put that pop-up on the bottom left. You can put it wherever you want, but typically it's on the bottom left. So I'm going to leave it there, bottom left. Okay. I'm not going to pay attention to the CSS. I guess that's if you want to do some sort of color coding or something like that. I'm not going to do that. I'm not a coder, so I'm going to leave that blank. And then the pop-up timing is how fast it pops up on the page and how frequently it pops up in between pop-ups. Okay. Now, the ghost records is if you want to show someone how this works and you don't want to opt in, to the form to put those to demonstrate the product. You can use that as you can put ghost records and just enter. You know, you can put names over here, add ghost record and put the name, their country, their city, and, you know, you can put, you know, when they opted in and how many minutes or hours ago. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm actually going to opt in to the page so that you can see it. But you could definitely, like, if you want to demo it for whatever reason, or you want to demo it for a client or whatever, you can use the ghost records to do that. Okay. All right. So that is done. That is taken care of. That particular social proof is ready. So now what we want to do is we want to go back to the website. Okay, so now I'm back on my website, right? So let's take out my little notes. So right over here, we have the page set up and we created the social proof pop-up. Now what we want to do is assign the social proof pop-up to the page, okay? So we're going to come over here inside of this website and we're going to click on social proof. Now it's going to ask you to select the campaign. So I want to go ahead and select the info product. And then it says, what page do you want to assign the social proof to? So I want to assign it to the home page. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on save. Okay. Now we also have to assign it on the opt-in form. So we want to go ahead and click on edit page. So we're going to go over here, click on the gear so that we can connect this form to a mailing boss list. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it to a list. So the cool thing also about the Funnel Club, it already pre-builds a mailing boss list for you. So then all you have to do is go back into the mailing boss side and edit it out. Okay, so it already created a list for me as soon as it downloaded the funnel into my account. So it saves a bunch of time for you. Just remember to go back and do your customizations and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Slimming Tea and click on save. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I want to set the link of where they're going to go to when they subscribe or when they confirm the subscription. It's already done for you guys and gals. It's already selecting it for you, but let's just double check. I'm going to click over here and see it's going to the pending page. That's what I love about the Funnel Club. It's already done for you. Like, it's already connected. All the pages are connected. It's all connected to your mailing boss. You just got to go back in there and customize it for your project. So this is already done. And this is already done. So when they click on confirm, boom, it goes to the thank you page. Totally done for you guys. It's awesome. So click on save. So now the only other thing is there's a little thumb right here with a little plus sign. That's called social proof. You want to click over here and you want to assign it as well here. You want to assign it to the info product. And then it says field to be used as the username. I want to go ahead and use the name field. So we're going to go ahead and click on save. We're going to go ahead and click on save because what this is going to do, it's going to automatically deploy them an email from the autoresponder. It's super cool. So check this out. So let's go ahead and click it. That's fine. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and close. I'm going to go back home. I'm going to save and exit. And then I'm going to go and republish this to make sure that all the changes took effect. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the website. I am going to refresh just to make sure. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to opt in. So we're going to go Barbie. And then I'm just going to put Barbie at risingwithbarbie.com. And then I'm going to click here. Boom. And then it's going to ask me to go ahead and confirm my email. So let's go ahead and check my email real quickly, which, by the way, is also in Builderall. So let me go to my dashboard. So since I have a domain attached to the professional email system inside of Builderall, I'm going to come over here to professional emails. And I'm going to go to my Rising with Barbie. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on View Email List. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to access the webmail, and right there it is. It's confirmation required, and that's coming from the social proof plugin that is attached to my email, which is really cool, right? So if I click over here, boom, it'll take me to the congratulations page. So it's all, it's all connected, which is really, really awesome. So now that we've done that, let's go back and see the social proof pop-up on the page. And now we'll see the pop-up. There it is. And there it is. All right, guys and gals, how cool is that? And it's all under one dashboard. As you can see, when I showed you my back office, I have all the tools that I need to do everything that I need. And what I do is I put the social proof on basically any lead capture page that I'm out there promoting, and it just helps increase conversions. And it's also really cool to see how many people have actually opted in to receive your lead magnet or your free video series or whatever it is that you are offering. It's just a great way to add social proof in a very simple way to any lead capture page that you build inside of BuildERALL. Now, if you haven't checked out BuildERALL, I'm going to encourage you to do so, and I will have a link right below this video, or you can go to the link that's right here on this screen. For the end of 2020, all up until December 31st, you can still lock in your rate at $69.90 per month if you do the premium plan. Or you can also check out our BuilderAll Funnel Club, which is a one-time $199 sign-up fee. And then up until December 31st, it will be $69.90. And in January, we'll go up to $99.90. So if you want to lock in your rate and grandfather yourself in for the lifetime of your membership, you can go ahead and check out the links right below this video. And you'll also get awesome bonuses depending on what plan you are on. If you get the premium plan, you'll get some of my bonuses. And if you come in on the Funnel Club, you'll get some whopper bonuses that I talk more about inside of my description box right below this video. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me today. Stay tuned because I'm going to be pushing out some more tutorials on my channel next week. So make sure that if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.